First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To optimize Google AI Studio prompts, start by identifying the exact result you want Gemini to produce. A strong prompt should clearly explain the task, provide relevant context, and define the expected output. Instead of writing a vague instruction such as, "Write something about marketing," provide specific details. Tell Gemini what the topic is, who the audience is, what tone to use, how long the response should be, and what information must be included. Next, test your prompt with several different inputs. Don't judge a prompt from just one response. Try different examples and look for problems such as incorrect information, unnecessary details, inconsistent formatting, or failure to follow instructions. If Gemini misunderstands the task, make your instructions more specific. You can also break complicated tasks into clear steps. For example, ask Gemini to first analyze the information, then identify the important points, and finally produce the requested output. Another useful technique is providing examples. Show Gemini one or more examples of the input and the type of output you expect. This can make the desired format much clearer. If your application requires predictable data, use structured output or JSON when supported. You can also specify rules for what Gemini should do when information is missing. For example, tell it to say that information is unavailable instead of inventing an answer. After making changes, test the prompt again and compare the results.